information with you. So alcohol use among girls and young women, a worrying trend. For at least the past 2 decades, data show that boys and young men were more likely to drink than girls and young women. However, an unsettling trend has taken hold. Data now shows that girls and young women ages 12 to 20 are drinking more alcohol than their male counterparts. Alcohol use by people under the legal drinking age of 21 has decreased over the past few decades, but the decreases were more pronounced for males than for females. In 2020, more girls and young women reported past month alcohol use than boys and young men. What is behind the trend? Here are some facts that organizations and those working in prevention should know as they design strategies to curb harmful drinking behavior among girls. In regards to mental health and how mental health is affected in underage drinking, evidence suggests that problems with anxiety and depression are increasing among adolescents, particularly young women. Girls and young women can be more susceptible to internalized and stress, anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. This, in turn, may make them more likely to drink as a way of coping. In fact, when girls have high levels of anxiety, they are more likely than boys to use alcohol and to do so at earlier ages. Helping girls and young women handle difficult emotions in healthy ways may help them remove or reduce their consumption of alcohol or avoid it altogether. Because of the association between underage drinking and mental health conditions such as depression and anxiety, girls and young women who have these challenges need strong underage drinking prevention support coupled with general mental health support. So we just wanted to make sure that we knew that. And the other issue that happens with young ladies and young girls is that there is an increased risk of memory problems as a result of alcohol use. And at the same time, some of these girls, the more they use alcohol, it increases the chances of breast cancer. It says females are more susceptible than males to experiencing long-term health consequences like alcohol-induced liver inflammation and liver cancer, as well as cardiovascular disease. Drinking alcohol, even in girls and young women, contributes to future breast cancer. Among adult women, even 1 drink per day has been linked to 5 to 7% higher chance of developing breast cancer compared to those who abstain from using alcohol. So it is important that we keep this in mind. Boys always need that support as well in regards to mental health. And really, this all comes down to communication. Are we having conversations with our children or not? So we just wanted to share